Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for Uber Eats equivalent to $20. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is open our browser. In the search engine, type CouponFollow and press enter. In the search results, we click on the first result, which should be the CouponFollow site. Once on the CouponFollow page, let's click on the search engine on the page, located at the top. Type in Uber Eats and press enter. We select the Uber Eats result, and then we will see several promo code offers. We look for the offer that says, take $20 off, and click on this offer. After clicking, we will get the promo code, and the last thing we need to do is copy this promo code and place it in the Uber Eats app. And that's it. That's how easy it is to get a $20 promo code for Uber Eats. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the little bell so you don't miss any new offer. See you next video.